today we are going to a waterfall. I'm not going to tell you which waterfall because Michaela said it has to be a surprise. Right?
Yes.
But yeah, enjoy the vlog. At first, we are going to Chick-fil-A.
He's crazy.
So, let's get into it. Hi guys. We are currently walking into the Chick-fil-A building.
The Chick-fil-A, what can I get for you today?
I'll have a 30 piece chicken nugget with a large tea with a Dr. Pepper.
That's a lot of food for a little girl.
It's not just for me, it's for her and him as well.
Oh, okay. What kind of sauces can I get for you today, ma'am? And it comes with fries or fruit cup. Which one would you like?
3 fries.
It comes with 1 fry and you have to share it.
Okay. Well then, in that case, just a fry. And we'll have
Sauces? Any sauces today?
We'll have 3 Chick-fil-A sauces and 4 barbecue sauces.
Okay, let me review that order for you here. I have a 30-piece count chicken nugget with a side of fries, a large sweet tea, and a medium Dr. Pepper. And I have 7 barbecue sauces and 7 Chick-fil-A sauces. Does that sound correct, ma'am?
Yeah, thanks.
Is there anything else I can do for you today?
Nothing else, thanks.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Bye.
Your total is going to be $22.75.
Okay. Here you go.
Are you done?
All right, guys, we just ordered. Now we're sitting at the table. Huh? And Sal's got fries. And my mom can say hi. Let me eat it. I'm just gonna eat it, guys. He ate it. He ate it.
Our food's here. Okay. We need sauces. They gave us a lot of sauce.
We want my fries.
Everyone's sharing them.
Time to eat.
So eat.